Hello friends, myself Prateek, author of Machine Learning with Python, Principles and Practical Techniques published by Cambridge University Press. This year we published this textbook. This textbook covers everything which is required for the success in the course of machine learning. In this series of videos, I would be covering the key concept covered in each chapter step by step. Let us see what we covered in chapter 1. Chapter 1 is titled as Overview of Machine Learning. It starts with intro and cover applications of machine learning in detail. Section 1.3 is about history of machine learning. Here we track the history of machine learning starting from 1642 to 2024. Section 1.4 is about the formal definition of machine learning. You can see that the unique feature of this book is having QR codes. This book truly provides you multimodal learning experience. Here for visual learners, we have provided the QR code, and by scanning that QR code, you can directly watch the corresponding video on the same topic from me. For example, by scanning this QR code, you can watch the video on beginning with machine learning versus machine learning. Section 1.6 discuss classification of machine learning. Here we covered supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning in detail. You can again see we have a QR code, and by scanning that QR code, you can watch the video on supervised learning from me. Each and every topic is supported with a lot of examples and visuals so that you can easily understand the topics in a very simplified way. Next subsection is about unsupervised learning. Next is about reinforcement learning, and we use reinforcement learning to train robots and self-driving cars. We discussed in detail about the components of reinforcement learning. We also discussed Markov decision process and Q-learning in detail in this section. We have used a very simple case study to cover Q-learning in a step-by-step manner. So you can see that the case study is fully supported with mathematics and visual description. Sometimes we confuse with terms like data science, data mining, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. Here we cover these key terms in detail in this section. And finally, we come up with the tabular comparison of those key items. At the end of chapter, you would find Remind Me section to revise what we covered in that chapter. We also provided additional resources in the form of books, videos, and blogs. And again, everything is supported by QR code. To test your understanding, we have MCQ questions at the end of each and every chapter. So this is the walkthrough for chapter 1. This book is available at Amazon platform. I strongly recommend you to please look into this book. In the next video session, we will cover chapter 2 of this book. Thanks for watching this video.